Okay, kalau korang, by the way, kalau kamera mata I kat tempat lain tu sebab I tengok kat diri I. So I harap korang faham sebab I pakai phone je. Hello, what's up you guys? It's me, Mandy. So welcome back to this channel. So today I nak buat another makeup look using this Anas mystery box. So yeah, hari ni kita buat colour orange, so hari ni kita buat colour lain sikit. So let's get started. By the way, I dah pakai ni Fresh and Fit primer on my face. So now let's proceed to the other step, which is foundation. So obviously korang tengok Anas tak ada foundation. Like foundation tu macam, it was okay, it was glowy, but I think the colour is a bit too terang for me. So dia jadi macam, apa panggil, kelabu, macam tu. So today I'm gonna use my W7 Sheer Foundation in True Beige. Okay, tapi I'm gonna use the apam. Kamu tak pakai makeup lupa lah. This is the sheer foundation, so nampak macam kulit original, but as you can see macam like glowy gila. Mungkin dia sebab pair dengan Fresh and Fit tu, or probably benda ni ambil produk yang dia macam like makan produk, but I'm not sure. But anyways, untuk tu lagi foundation I pun tak nak tebal-tebal sebab malas. Okay, so now let's move on to the eyeshadow. Like I said earlier, I dah pakai colour brown and orange. So today I'm gonna, this is by the way summer love by Anas. Obviously this is not sponsored. So today I'm gonna play with these colors sebaris ni. I'll probably punya yang ni, we'll see. But itulah colour yang kita akan pakai pada hari ini. Abaikanlah kehijauan benda ni, benda ni adalah stained by some other eyeshadow. I'm gonna use this one, the lighter one, which is ladylike. Tak ada cermin, but like I tak sabar tu sebab kita akan cari gitu. But like kalau dia ada lebih baik. I'm gonna use it on my crease probably. I don't know. Terang bah. The dark one, 1410, like dekat lid. And I'm gonna use this one also dekat bawah. And I'm gonna use back ladylike. Gitu. Kira penumbuk. I am unorthodox in that sense, always. So I'm gonna use this brush dan mengambil Dear Rose, meletakkan di corner mata sahaja. Macam gitu. I guess this is like Valentine's look. Gitu kau aduh. Okay. I nak pakai eyeliner dia. I nak try. This is the eyeliner in black. Boleh lah. Okay, next we'll be using a blusher. Dia tak ada bagi blusher, so I'm gonna use my own blusher. My third party. Using my Morphe G7. Benda ni, like kalau main bubuh je pun tak perlu tulis pun lagi. Ada brand like kalau dah terbubuh, dah terazak, dah that's it. So So I salute Tarte. Oh yeah, highlighter. Highlighter I'm gonna use the NYX Paradise Fluff in Candy Cloud in this shade. I'm gonna use this brush. Tengok brush pun. Oh, from Elf. I guess it's supposed to be highlighting brush. Tak ingat lah. Kalau korang suka intense, pakai jari. But like super intense, but like still macam like natural, but tak natural sangat lah makeup ni. I'm gonna just use this because like malas nak cari. I beli Lash Paradise, nanti I nak buat macam video kot. Tengok lah. Kalau korang nak, buy lah. By the way, this is Essence Volume Stylist. Dia macam like tak ada apa pun. Kalau mascara ni macam like just normal wearing. I tak even abaikan je. Alright, so to the lipstick, so kita ada like several options. We have, hari tu I dah pakai Merlot, so I have another 3 that I can use. Antara tu I nak ketepikan tu barang-barang tak depan mata I ni.
So I have the colour. This one is the Viva, pretty dark, and then sekejap. Caranya menarik lah dia. Nanti tu gelap, mata dah gelap dah, so macam like no point for me to use like even a darker colour. So I have this or like brown. Okay, kita try dulu.
Laura, dia punya velvet lipstick. This is the colour. I'm using the Pure Dim Argan Oil. This is like my go-to makeup wipes, just in case kalau korang nak tahu. Ana's Velvet Cream in the shade, no, the classic edition in the shade Orchid. But I think this one ikan ni good. Terang sangat tak. I think I'm gonna mix with Merlot because I don't like it like super pink. Even if it's like baby pink, it's not like my color. Dia macam coral sikit. Tak adalah macam like pink. Bila bubuh dua dia rasa macam kalau tak berat membuhung lah. So like okay lah, berat sikit. But like at least tak bright. Like bright. Alright, thank you so much for watching everyone. This is the final look. I hope you guys are entertained. This is like, I don't know what to call this. Is it pink? Is it macam tu lah, but like this color ada berbeza pada hari tu sedikit, but like gitulah. Overall I suka lah dia punya tu, memang very pigmented macam tu. And dia punya lips ni yang classic edition ni macam coklat punya rasa, which is pretty cool. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, watch and like other videos, maybe share this video with your friends and families. But like disclaimer, I'm not paid to do the review and all this. I'm also not an MUA. Pretty okay untuk orang yang nak pakai untuk actually whenever pun, so you can like yeah. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.